Hello everyone, this is Crypto Mercy. Welcome back. We're gonna go over an analysis for Elrond right now, but first, the intro. All right. Oh, this make me smile a little bit. Really cool. I just want to show you two scenarios because for sure we need to be realistic right here because we add this bearish divergence, and like you see here, we made a new high, which is a bearish divergence, and it happens almost at the same time that the Bitcoin. Rising wedge are always a bearish pattern. They're a bearish pattern, sorry. And we to figure out, because I'm in the logarithmic mode and I talk a lot about this. This is the Bart Simpson head playing out again. You know, Wyckoff. I talk about Wyckoff in the video just that I made today about this pattern. Anyway, I'm seeing this for many crypto right now, which for me doesn't look so good. You can watch that video to know a little bit more, but I will make a formation, another video about the Wyckoff more complete because I didn't have the time today, but I'm going over it a little bit. Sorry if I was not so concise. This pattern, we always have to take the pole, bring it at the bottom right here, okay, and at the point of the, oh sorry, I'm in I was on the logarithmic mode. Okay, we have the pole right here. Let's do this, take this out. I'm gonna place an horizontal line to show you, and right here, like that, at the point of the breakout, this is where it's gonna bring us. Right now, we don't know yet where it's gonna break out, but what we know is that we have some support right there. We will have some support at around 90 bucks for sure, because like I told you, we have the MA21. Moving average 21, who's right here. For sure, this will be support. If Bitcoin is taking a break when it is gonna go down, we might gonna have a little bounce here for sure. It can be a great place to buy. Also, we have the Fibonacci that I show you already. But this is a bearish pattern here for sure. And also, it's pretty tricky right now because if we take the end of the wick, it turns out to be a perfect rising wedge. I mean, but if we go on the chart a little bit on a higher time frame, you will see that this can turn out to be an ascending triangle, which is pretty strange and possible too. It's another scenario that can bring us, I'm going to tell you, at the breakout point. Going to take out this moving average right here. Place the pole. And at the breakout point, okay, this push can bring us around $400. But we will need to wait. Now in a log mode, I see clearly this rising wedge pattern when we take the wick like this. But it's very close to be an ascending triangle. But usually we take the body and try to smash all the wicks we can to... and this will do something like this. Okay, now you can see the rising wedge right there. or it can be a little bit lower if you try to grab all the wick like this. But anyway, we see this rising wedge is forming, and we know where are the support. Let's do the math together with the Fibonacci again. If we retrace, okay, let's grab the lowest last point we had right here, right? And now we see that the golden fib is right there. It's a great buying point. We know that the moving average 21 on the weekly is around 92. No, sorry, not 92. It's around right now. Is it the moving average 21? Just want to be sure. Sometimes it's 20. Okay, yeah. This means this that we're gonna have strong support around 110, which is a good buying zone for a bounce, to catch a bounce. Also, we're gonna have this moving average 100 that is at $52. Let's see again. We have this moving average 21 on the 10-day. Okay, strong support zone right there. A little bit lower, this one right here, the 5-day moving average 100. We have this one lower, but let's try to grab a bounce right now. Possible. Oh, we have another one right on the 4-day. See another good support right there on the 3-day. 100 moving average 100 on the 2-day is right there. It's why we had some dynamic support right here. On the daily, we still have this moving average 200. Is it 200 right now in purple? MA5 100. Sorry, it's moving average 100 right here as a dynamic support. We'll need to break this for sure, and if we break down and this moving average is not supporting, I mean the egold, this means that the floor of the wedge will crack, and we're gonna have the problem will arrive when this floor will break right here. Let's see on the log chart. Let's erase all those lines. Let's take out the moving average. I really like a logarithmic chart to figure out where is the floor and is it correlating with the moving average right here. It's why if we are losing this daily moving average 100 right there, we are in trouble. It's why you have to take a look at the keep an eye on this moving average at 137. If we lose this, it can happen pretty fast. If Bitcoin decide to pull back, get ready. This MA can break very fast, and in a minute we can be there. It's why, yeah, we have 110 for sure. We have this moving average 21 on the monthly that is at 110 around here. But this one break there might gonna have a little bounce right here. After that, if the support is not enough, is not strong, we're gonna test them midline of the Bollinger Band on the weekly, which is the moving average 21. Right here, let's grab the Bollinger Band. Bollinger used to be 20 by default, but you can put 21 right there, and you still have the support that I was talking about. This means this floor is support. This MA21, you should get a nice bounce from there. If Bitcoin is not crashing to, 43K in a couple of seconds. But it can happen. It's possible. I just post this this YKF event and phases on TradingView. You can catch, you can go on TradingView and you will see that it's one of my latest posts on TradingView. You will see that I think that we are on the LPS Y1 right there, and it can bring us to 41, 42K pretty fast. We're gonna have to check all this, but in general, I don't like this ad right now. You know, I've been in the cryptocurrency and I'm studying charts since a while, and you know, usually when those kind of head happen, we used to have a pullback, and I will not be surprised if we come around $44 very quickly. Because if we lose the support here, you see we don't have any support until there after, which is 71. We have our moving average 21 for sure. If this can hold, even if Bitcoin is crashing or going down, if Bitcoin is making a pullback or whatever, if we can hold on the moving average 21, yes, for sure we can have some upsides, because the market makers are leaving this possibility right now. Because it can turn out to be a rise, an ascending channel, like this. You see, let me put that like that. Imagine if we test here, around here. Okay, it can turn out to be a, whoops, sorry for that. Anyway, can turn out to be an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. But now, don't like this ad. It looks like a distribution phase. I'm talking about this right here. It's the same. Bitcoin did the same, and we had this spring, the huge leg down recently. Let's go check the candle close on the weekly at least. The last weekly candle close. The last one was bearish for sure, but now we're kind of forming a double bottom right here on the weekly. Is it gonna push the price at 191 and create another double top, and we reverse? We're gonna have to check this and be very careful. Just want to show you something else right on the 2 week. The candle close, last candle close was bearish, double top, and still another candle close in 11 days and 2 hours. Okay, now it can be a fake out. They're faking out the double bottom. It can be this, but they're preparing a pullback. Let's take a look at the RSI after monthly chart. Now, this was a spinning top, which is usually the body was not in the middle, but anyway, we close higher than the candle open here, candle close there. It's more bullish than bearish, in my opinion. Here, it can turn out to be a shooting star, which can be problematic. We had a shooting star before on the which chart we had a shooting star. We had this double top right here. We had this shooting star right there. And you see, this is a gravestone, but it's not on top. We had the double bottom. Gravestone is mean that it's an inverted hammer, which means that the trend is changing for the other side. But double top, pretty huge double top right there. This was same thing, like over the this shooting star here, you add this inverted hammer too, which is a bearish pattern. It's a signal that the trend is changing, and we confirmed this double bottom, double top, double bottom, and now we're up since. It's why it's always good to follow candle close and what candles are saying. Short term, candle will close in 1 hour, and now it wants to sign a double top right here, which will for me indicate a possible pullback. I mean a pullback after, if it's closing like this, but it's closing in 1 hour. Things can change, and you know, if it change and we close bullish, if it turns out to be an hanging man, we have to be careful too. But now it's we have market makers are drawing a double top right there. Let's see on the 4 hours. Double top 2, 1 hour's close, same stuff. Doesn't look so good to me right now. Let's see. Let's go check the MACD, the momentum. Momentum on the MACD has turned bearish since April 18 on the daily, and we're still, you know, it's still bearish for now, but it can change if we are making a bullish cross on the MACD right now on the daily. On the monthly, on the weekly, sorry. You know, it's nothing to say right now. Momentum, we're still losing momentum. Oops, sorry, you don't see it. Still losing momentum slowly on the weekly, and RSI is turning on the upper side a little bit. On the 2 week, intact for now, still pointing on the upside, but still losing little momentum right now. On the monthly, no data yet. Let's see on the Stoch RSI. Very close to have a bearish cross on the RSI, which will be not so good. Damn, it's very, very close. Look at this. They're 100, 100. It's like they're waiting something. Now on the weekly, the 2 week, sorry, the Stoch RSI is a bearish. On the weekly, bearish too, still going down, but can reverse anytime. On the daily, Stoch seems want to rise. This is more short term. MACD might gonna cross too. Let's see, but they can, you know, they can decide to not create this bullish cross right here. On the 4 hours, bearish cross going down with this double top right now. Dangerous. Everything is pretty not looking so good for me. Maybe you should be careful and protect your liquidity right here if you're on the Eagle, if it's possible for you. And this is it, I think. Just want to double check. Yeah, just to go on Bitcoin quickly, think we're right here. And this pullback, this push, recent push, doesn't look good too. Rejection, strong rejection, shooting star, and now we're creating a spinning top. We'll see. It's mixed, but it's still the Wyckoff is still operating very perfectly on the Bitcoin. It's a copy of the Wyckoff method, and anyway, this can hit hard. Be careful. also, you might think that I'm crazy, but it's pretty possible that we can test back $30. We have a wick right there too, around 39, between 33 and 45. I was trying to put an order under $30 today, and Binance doesn't want to let me put an order. The minimum is 36, I think, 36.50, something like that. I cannot put an order under that price. Damn, they're unbelievable. Anyway, this will make something like this pretty quickly. Boom. Usually Bart Head plays so quick. Be careful here. Like I said, anyway, I'm repeating myself, and I don't want to spend throw all your night at the garbage. But here is the parallel channel of the eagle. I'm gonna finish with this right here, where we bounce right on the midline. If this line doesn't hold, this means the MA 100 will not hold on the daily, and next target will be 110 moving average midline of the weekly. Anyway, I told that a lot. Bitcoin needs to go at least on the weekly MA moving average 21. It didn't do that since a while, and it never happens before. I mean, it's been too long right now, too long. And you see that they try to push the price, but they're losing some strength. Bitcoin is losing some strength. Ethereum can drop dramatically quickly too. You have to be careful. We'll see, but let's just put the sticker where we can drop price label right there. Price label here is 139. Here is the moving average 21 on the weekly. Here is some support we see on the left side right there, and it coincides too with a bunch of moving average, and this is a stronger support right there. It's possible that we will shoot a wick around here and try to grab the liquidity there, and the liquidity of this support, and we should bounce back quickly inside the channel. If I can make you a little shimmer, a little draw, can do like this, a little bounce. Moving average 100 doesn't hold. Support here, bounce. After he bounce, and you're gonna have a wick that's gonna grab the liquidity on on all those lines and come back very quickly inside the channel. Something like this. Anyway, this is a scenario. Like I said, it depends what Bitcoin will do. But like I see on the stock market, doesn't look so good too. Same pattern on the Nasdaq, on the SPX, the S&P 500. Anyway, thanks for being here. If you like, just push the like button and ring the bell if you're new here. I hope you like. I wish you a great evening. Thanks for being here with me. Sorry today I'm a little bit tired, but I did want to take some time with you just to show you. I'm not so optimistic right now with the ego, with the Bitcoin heater, and many crypto are doing this Bart had too. Bart Simpson had pattern. And I wish you the best of the best, and see you tomorrow.